Recycling towards a more sustainable world. When talking about the possibility of offering a better world for the next generation, one of the aspects looked into in society is environmental protection and maintenance. Recycling is at the forefront of initiatives associated with the environment. Many believers claim that it's beneficial to rebuilding the environment. According to the National Institutes of Health, recycling is the process of reusing old materials for new purposes by creating something new and innovative from a combination of recycled materials. The process of recycling promises environmental sustainability through resource conservation, energy conservation, and reduction of air and water pollution. Recycling does have its benefits, one of which is resource conservation. When people recycle, it is more likely that they are able to maximize the use of a particular object or material. One of the most notable initiatives is made by Campbell with its segregation sites. In order to avoid using any more plastic linear bags for its trash bins and reduce the amount of recyclables, it has a built system where trash are in a compiled single composition bin that is regularly recycled for optimal use, according to the New Jersey Waste Wise Business Network 10. You hit the button. The dynamics of the natural resources and recycling are further observed in this paper. According to Andre and Serda, 199 through page 221, the short-term benefits of recycling present favorable outcomes for alleviation of scarcity of resources. However, long-term benefits present even better results as it imposes compensation for the non-renewable energy exhaustion. Energy conservation is among the most important aspects of environmental sustainability. With an increased awareness for the need of it, the public is assured that solid waste materials are converted into renewable energy that is vital to maintain resource depot of energy. In a study by Morris, it has been discovered how recycling is a better alternative than incinerating a mixed solid waste, as it conserves more energy than what would been used for extracting raw materials from the environment, from page 285. This provides more opportunities for exploring a numerous amount of benefit that is associated with recycling and energy consumption. Ultimately, the more individuals that recycle, the less likely the harm the natural occurrence of things and their placement in the environment, inhibiting energy waste from extracting these materials. The more everyone chooses to help via recycling, the more viable it will be to our future. The presence of greenhouse gases from manufacturing and industrial companies present great risks for the environment degradation. The state of the environment is very important for everyone, for careers, agriculture, and even the health of everyone on the planet. Without knowledge and measures to address these, private companies do more harm in their daily production than they do good, bettering the lives of the consumers through their products. A lot of people working for major companies and corporations often don't see how detrimental making all of their products that are better for everyone's lives are to the environment. These greenhouse gas emissions reveal that it is relatively safer to employ recycling processes than actually just using raw resources, as it contributes less waste and pollutions to the environment. Holmes 39. If something is safer and more efficient than just ultimately trying to reduce the use of so many things that could just be recycled, why don't more of us do it? Whether recycling is done individually or in a larger scale, an individual following its simplest protocol of reusing actually commit themselves to a life of sustainability and possible better future for the next generation. Whether you decide to compost, upcycle, recycle, or even all three, the environment will thank you greatly. Recycling helps assure future generations that they get to experience the similar or even wider expanse of resources of the generations today. This is why we recycle, what can be recycled, what can't be recycled, how you can recycle, the most two common ways, some statistics on recycling, a little known source of recycling called composting, and fun facts about recycling.